What if I told you that you could speak better English without ever opening a grammar book again? Stay with me, because that's exactly what we're doing right now. Hi, I'm Ayla. I'm your English teacher, and this is the place where we practice speaking together every single day. If that sounds good, subscribe and let's begin. Let me ask you something. How many years have you studied English? 2 years? 5 years? 10 years? And how many times have you felt afraid to open your mouth and speak? The truth nobody tells you. Grammar books don't teach you to speak. They teach you to analyze. But speaking is not analyzing. Speaking is a physical habit, just like walking or riding a bike.
You don't learn to ride a bike by reading a book about bicycles. You learn by getting on and pedaling, even if you wobble at first. Today, we're getting on the bike. No rules. No fear. Just practice. Plant the idea we're getting on the bike as a recurring motivational metaphor. And I want you to remember something important. Every single person who speaks English fluently today, including me, started exactly where you are right now. Nervous. Unsure. Making mistakes. The only difference between them and you is one thing: they kept practicing, even when it felt hard. So today, you're not just watching a video. You're taking one more step forward. And I'm proud of you for that already. Let's start practicing right now. I'll say a simple sentence, and I want you to repeat it out loud after me. Yes, actually say it, even if you're alone. Ready? Say this with me: I am learning English. Again, a little louder: I am learning English. Now try this one: I can do this. One more time, with confidence: I can do this. See? You didn't need a single grammar rule to say that. You just needed to say it. That's the whole secret. Let's try a few more real sentences you'll actually use. Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? I don't understand. Can you say that again? Nice to meet you. What's your name? I'm from. And now, say your own country's name after that sentence. Did you say it? Perfect. You just had a real English conversation moment, without thinking about grammar even once. If you said those sentences out loud with me, comment I spoke below right now. I want to see how many of you are actually practicing, not just watching. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Mistakes are not your enemy, they're proof that you're actually trying. Every mistake you make while speaking is your brain building a new connection, a new pathway. It's literally how learning works. Native speakers make mistakes too. They mix up words, they pause, they say things wrong sometimes. Nobody is perfect, and nobody expects you to be perfect either. The only real mistake is staying silent because you're afraid of making one. Let's practice a full mini conversation, the kind you might have at a coffee shop, at work, or with a new friend. I'll play both sides first, then we'll do it together. Hi, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Now you try. Pause the video for a moment, and say all 3 lines out loud, imagining you're really talking to someone. Welcome back. How did that feel? A little strange, maybe, but that strange feeling is exactly what practice feels like before it becomes comfortable. Let's try one more real situation: ordering food. Can I get a coffee, please? Sure, anything else? No, that's all, thank you. Let me tell you something personal. I remember the first time I tried to have a full conversation in a new language. My heart was racing. I forgot simple words. I felt embarrassed. But I kept going. Not because I was fearless, I wasn't. I kept going because I understood something important: confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. You don't wait until you feel ready. You become ready by doing it, again and again. So if your heart races a little while practicing today, good. That means you're growing. Let's finish our practice with phrases that build confidence, sentences you can say to yourself and to others every day. Repeat after me. I am getting better every day. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I can speak English, one sentence at a time. Practice makes me stronger. Say that last one again, and really mean it. Practice makes me stronger. These aren't just English sentences, they're true. Every single time you speak, even with mistakes, you are becoming stronger. These aren't just English sentences, they're true. Every single time you speak, even with mistakes, you are becoming stronger. Let's recap what we practiced today. We said simple daily phrases. We practiced a real conversation. We learned that mistakes are proof of growth, not failure. And we practiced confidence phrases to carry with us. You didn't open a single grammar book today, and yet, you practiced real, usable English. That's the whole point. I want you to remember this. Every fluent speaker you admire once felt exactly like you do right now. Nervous, unsure, maybe even a little scared. But they showed up, and they practiced, one video, one sentence, one day at a time. You showed up today too. And that already makes you one step closer than yesterday. Clapperboard direction * warm. Sincere pause before CTA, let the moment land. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because every video here is just like this one, no grammar, no stress, just real practice with me. See you in the next one.